I'm born in a factory where my dad's family used to produce scales of iron. Is a big part of me. Being surrounded by factories, being surrounded by the making industry is something that's super close to me. What I find exciting about Rosewood, it's like a place where a lot of people commute, a lot of people all over the world come in and out, and for us to have this chance to place our work within Hong Kong is a new experience. And for this place we kind of developed a piece which reassembles the skyline of Hong Kong itself. So we try to take the whole landscape within the Rosewood of Hong Kong. S TATI CA, it's a cast aluminum piece. We make all our works in cast bronze or aluminum. You can really feel it when you see it. You can even recognize yourself in it. There are like little figures placed inside of this. We want people to also be part in the exposition in Hong Kong, that they see how we build it, how we make it, and even maybe during the process, even rebuild the piece into a different architecture.